Hi students. Nowadays the world entirely it is facing a major problem. Students, everyone know what we are facing that problem in the worldwide. Before this corona effect, everyone knows the entire question paper how it will be. You got complete idea about that question paper. But after this corona effect, the question paper it was partially changed. So today I am explaining how it will be that question paper. Actually previous days we have physical sciences separate paper and biology separate paper. But now the government it was changed that question paper. That question paper one it is containing physical science and at a time biology. Okay, today I am explaining that physical science question paper how it will be. Actually this question paper it is containing two sections. One is part A and another one is part B. In that part A, completely it is related to physical science, and in the part B, completely it is related to biology. So, in the part A, now it is containing four sections: section 1, section 2, section 3, section 4. So, how these sections are? That I will explain now. So, before explaining this question paper, you have to know some instructions. The first instruction, this paper is containing part A and part B. Our science paper it is containing part A and part B. And second point, part A and part B contain four sections. Means part A is containing four sections and part B it is also containing four sections. And next, totally our science question paper it is containing 33 questions. Totally we are having 33 questions. And after that, the fourth point is internal choice in the section 4. Section 4 it is containing internal choice. What is this internal choice? That I will explain later. And next, the fifth one it is very important for you. 15 minutes you should read the question paper clearly. Because if you know that question paper, if you know the first question, so then immediately you will write that question and answer without planning that answer. So before starting that question paper, you read overall question paper once, because you have to write so many essay questions and 4 mark questions. So I think so you did not get sufficient time to write all those questions. So first of all, this 15 minutes you should plan about this question paper, how to write within 3 hours and 15 minutes. You have to complete within in this time only 3 minutes, 3 hours and 15 minutes before only you have to complete. And one more thing I have to say, in section 4, some essay questions, it is containing some essay questions. So if you know this, what every students they will think, if you know one essay question clearly, you are ready to write 4 pages, 5 pages, 6 pages like that. You want to write clearly about this that essay question. But if you write 4, 5, 6 pages, if you spend that much time for one essay question, you will not get sufficient time. So what are the important points, what we have to write related to that question, that you have to write first. So you have to manage that time related to essay questions and answers. So don't spend more time for essay questions. What are the important things that you have to write for essay questions and answers? Maximum students they will write, we know there is a essay question completely, then they will start writing 4, 5, 6 pages like that. So before writing maximum in this science paper, you know all questions and answers. So here the main problem is you have to plan time. Time management is very important for our science paper, because you have to write physical science and biology for this 3 hours 15 minutes. Within this time only you have to complete two subjects. So the time is not sufficient. That's why again and again I am saying you should plan. You should plan how to complete before this examination time only. Okay, now we will see in the section 1. If you see in the section 1, this is section 1, the questions are 1 to 6. 1 to 6. In the section 1, it is containing 1 to 6 questions. Each question, it is carries 1 mark. each question it is carries 1 mark. So total questions are 6 questions. So that 6 into 1, total 6 marks are there. And all questions you have to write. Total all 6 questions you have to write in the section 1. For example, if you see here, I wrote some questions here. That 1 mark questions. Convert 30 degrees Celsius in Kelvin. That you know. Already we have formula K is equal degree Celsius plus 273.15. And after that, the second question is the chemical name of common salt. And another one is third one is Pauli exclusion. Like this type of questions you will get in section 1. Again I am saying in the section 1 to 6 questions are there. Each question it is containing 1 mark. So total questions are 6. 6 into 1, 6 marks. And after that you have section 2. In this section 2, questions from 7 to 10. 7 to 10 questions in the section 2. Each question it is carries 2 marks. Each question it is carries 2 marks. If you see here, 7 to 10 means total 4 questions are there. Each question it is containing 2 marks. So 4 into 2, 8. So in the section 2, it is containing total 8 marks, 4 questions. Each question it is carries 2 marks. For example, if you see the 7th question I gave here, image formations. So they will ask you how the image will be formed if the object will be near to the focus or other infinity of that infinity away from that mirror. Like that type of questions, 1 or 2 questions they will ask related image formation. And after that, another question I gave for model myopia and hypermetropia. They will ask the differences or definitions. They will ask here. And next one, 9th question. See here, I give one more example. If n is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, ML is equal to 0, MS is equal to half, then can you guess what is that element? They give 4 quantum numbers. They will ask you, can you expect that element? They will ask you. This type of questions you will get in the section 2 as a 2 marks. For 2 marks you will get this section. So according to section 3, if you see section 3, this section it is containing 11 to 14 questions. Section 3 it is containing 11 to 14 questions. So each question it is carries 4 marks. Here also in the section 3 also you have to write all questions in the section 3 also. Each question it is carries 4 marks. If you see here 11 to 14. 11 to 14 means totally you have 4 questions. Each question it carries 4 marks. So totally you have 16 marks in the section 3. 4 into 4, 16. So in the section 3 you have 16 marks. For example, if you see here some questions, so how it will be in the section 3 that questions was. For example, 11th question I wrote here, they will ask you related to pH scale. Write about the definition of pH scale. Otherwise, they will give some pH readings. Where can you guess which is strong? They will give some pH readings and they will indicate A, B, C, D like that. So can you say which is strong acid in this pH scale? Can you guess which is weak acid in this scale? Can you tell which is neutral? Like that type of questions they will rise in 11th question as per 11th question. If you see 12th question, they will ask you octane rule like that. What is octane rule? How it will be useful in chemical properties? Like that questions they will ask. And third also I given one more example. They will ask related refractive index questions. You know the formula and there is no units for refractive index that everyone knows. And so this is related to section 3. So now we will go for section 4. This is section 4. It is containing essay questions or maybe diagrams. Based on that they will give diagrams or essay questions. So this section 4 questions started from 15 to 16. So how many questions are there? 2 questions are there, 15 and 16. Each question it is containing 8 marks. So total how many questions are there? 2 questions are there. 2 into 8, 16 marks are there for section 4. So section 4 and one more chance also there here. You have internal choice in section 4. How this internal choice? How it will be internal choice in section 4? So here if you see here there is internal choice. Example 15th question I gave here. Ohm's law. You have to write the activity of Ohm's law. Otherwise, they gave another internal choice also, that is cleaning action of soap. Cleaning action of soap. So, which one you want to write, that you can write in these two. That is called internal choice of that 15th question. And after that, if you see 16th question, I gave two questions with internal choice. One is trends of periodic table. You know, atomic radius, how it will be in the period and group. Ionization energy, how it will be in the periods and group. Like that questions you have to write the trends of periodic table. So this question again it is containing internal choice, that is action of soap again. So like this internal choice type of questions you will get in the section 4. Again I am saying for writing this essay questions, don't write 4, 5, 6 pages like that, you know very well, that's why you are writing. So the time is not sufficient for you. What are the important things, that only you have to write. Okay, all the best.